How do I clean my faux leather couch?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to clean your faux leather couch. Faux leather is a popular choice for furniture due to its affordability and durability. However, it does require proper care and maintenance to keep it looking its best. So, let's dive in and learn how to clean your faux leather couch effectively.
Gather your cleaning supplies.
Before we begin cleaning, let's make sure we have all the necessary supplies at hand. Here's a list of what you'll need. Mild soap or detergent. Look for a gentle, pH-neutral soap or mild detergent specifically designed for cleaning leather or vinyl surfaces. Water. You'll need water to dilute the soap or detergent and rinse the couch. Soft, lint-free cloths. Opt for non-abrasive cloths or microfiber towels to avoid scratching the faux leather. Soft bristled brush. A soft bristled brush will help remove any dirt or debris from the crevices of the couch. Optional. If your faux leather couch has specific stains or stubborn marks, you may want to consider using a leather or vinyl cleaner recommended by the couch manufacturer. Be sure to check the care instructions or contact the manufacturer for guidance. Now that we have our cleaning supplies ready, let's move on to the cleaning process itself.
Preparing the couch for cleaning.
Before applying any cleaning solution, it's essential to prepare the couch properly. Here's what you should do. 1. Dust off the couch. Use a dry cloth or a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment to remove any loose dust or debris from the surface. 2. Check for stains or marks. Inspect the couch for any specific stains or marks that may require extra attention. Note their locations to address them later. With the couch prepared, we can now proceed to the actual cleaning.
Cleaning the faux leather couch.
Follow these steps to clean your faux leather couch. 1. Create a cleaning solution. Fill a bowl or bucket with warm water and add a small amount of mild soap or detergent. Mix until it creates a soapy solution. 2. Dip a cloth. Take a soft, lint-free cloth and dip it into the soapy solution. Wring out any excess liquid to avoid oversaturating the faux leather. 3. Clean the couch. Gently wipe the entire surface of the couch with a damp cloth. Pay attention to any stains or marks you identified earlier, and apply a bit more pressure if needed. Avoid using excessive water or soaking the faux leather, as it can damage the material. 4. Remove soap residue. After cleaning, dampen a clean cloth with plain water and wipe down the couch to remove any soap residue. 5. Dry the couch. Use a dry, lint-free cloth to pat the couch dry. Make sure to remove any remaining moisture to prevent water spots or damage. 6. Address stubborn stains. If you encounter stubborn stains or marks that the regular cleaning process didn't fully remove, apply a small amount of the recommended leather or vinyl cleaner to a clean cloth. Test the cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage. Gently dab the stain with the cleaner, following the product instructions. Once the stain is gone, wipe the area with a damp cloth and dry it thoroughly. That's it. By following these steps, you can effectively clean your faux leather couch and keep it looking great for years to come. Remember to always use gentle cleaning solutions.